Well, the Houston Health Department said there is one active confirmed case of measles in the metro area.
The positive case might have exposed others, though. It comes as the state reports there are now 279 positive cases statewide. Houston Methodist now is reaching out to people who might have been in contact with the Houston person. KPRC2's Rowan Belogan joins us live near the emergency center at San Felipe and Vaz. Rowan?
Yeah, Keith, Daniela, we first got a note of this by a viewer who reached out to us to the Click to Houston help desk, telling us last week he paid a visit to this Houston Methodist Emergency Care Center for a different matter. Then yesterday, he receives a call from Houston Methodist letting him know that he was exposed to someone who later tested positive for measles.
It was quite an experience just to be a person in that situation, to get a call like that.
Ray, who doesn't want us to identify him, said he was surprised to learn he was near the only active measles case in the Houston area. He got a call from Houston Methodist that after his visit last week, he might have come in contact with someone who later tested positive.
It was like, wow, I didn't know that this is the way they actually handle things. But I'm glad that they have those kind of protocols to make people aware.
Today, the state health department confirmed 20 additional measles cases, bringing the total to 279 statewide, with the vast majority in West Texas. Ray said he isn't too concerned about the disease because he's vaccinated against it. But Dr. Marina Rubin with HCA Health Kingwood said it doesn't mean Ray and others exposed should let their guards down.
You need to figure out whether or not you have immunity status to measles. In other words, were you vaccinated to measles? And if you do, then truly what you need to do next is to quarantine for 21 days or longer, as guided by the CDC as well as the Department of Health.
So even if you were vaccinated against measles, it is best to do that wait period where you kind of isolate yourself?
The best thing is to isolate yourself because you want to prevent spread to others.
Now, the state health department is sharing with us again that the majority of the positive measles cases are in West Texas, specifically in Gaines County, among the age groups 5 to 17 years old, those who are not vaccinated. Reporting live, Rowan Belogan, KPRC 2 News.